Hi, this is Karen at Snickerdoodle Designs, and today we're going to take a look at how to create a stroke outline on text. It's a really fun, easy, quick technique and provides a really nice light effect. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing we need to do is choose a font type. A nice fat font works well, and for this tutorial I am using Britannica Bold. Next, choose your font size. I believe I have 130 points. And type out your title, and my title is Summer. The next thing we need to do is apply a stroke to the word, and we can bring up the strokes panel in one of two ways. We can go ahead and double click on the layer itself, not on the icon, but just on the layer over to the right, and it will bring up the layer style box. It's by default set at blending options, so we will need to click stroke and then click on the stroke line, and then that will bring up the options. But there's also another way, a little easier way. I'll go ahead and cancel this. You can come down to the FX button at the bottom of the layers panel and just click on stroke. And now it will open up with the stroke options available and active, and with all the options on the right hand side. Whatever stroke you use last is going to be applied to the word in Creative Cloud. I think that's when they started that. I might be wrong on that, but I am using Creative Cloud 2015, and that's how this version works. So this is the last stroke option that I chose, and that was size 3 pixels, position outside. I used a color and I used red. You can also, or actually it's kind of an orange. Actually, you can play around with the blend modes if you like, your opacity level of the stroke itself, and your fill type. You can use a color, a gradient, or a pattern. Today we're going to leave these, the blend mode, the opacity, and the fill type just as they were, and we're going to go ahead and choose just the size stroke we want, which is 3 pixels, just because that's what I like. It's neither good nor bad, it's whatever you want. The position is outside, and again the color is an orange, and click OK. Next we need to come up to the fill option at the top of the layers panel, and you can use either a scrubby slider or the drop down box and pull that slider all the way to the left, and now the words are not visible and we're left with this beautiful outline. And that's how easy it is. It's just a really nice, fun, easy technique. Now, Photoshop Elements does not have this fill option, but I do have a tutorial for you written by a great scrapbooker. Her name is Jobeth. Her blog is Scraptitious Designs, and she has graciously allowed me to direct you to her blog. So for all of you PSE users, I will post the link in the subject of this on YouTube. So just follow her link and you'll be able to see the tutorial appropriate for Photoshop Elements. Thanks for coming by. I hope you have fun with this, and we'll see you next time.